You have an Illustrator vector file, but no Illustrator subscription. Here is a massive trick. You can often rename the file to PDF and view it instantly in your browser. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let me show you how that works. Keep your expectations high for the final step. We will introduce you to the single utility that makes troubleshooting the AI format and dozens of others obsolete. The AI format is widely known and distributed as a member of the vector image file family. It uses the Adobe Illustrator File format. The AI file is the native project format for Adobe Illustrator. It is a proprietary vector graphics file containing illustrations, logos, and layouts defined by geometric points, lines, and curves. Its primary function is high-resolution, scalable design work that maintains quality at any size. Developed by Adobe Systems, the format is proprietary and based on the PostScript language. The design rules focus on scalability. The data is stored as mathematical instructions, not pixels. This ensures the file can be resized infinitely without loss of quality, but requires the specialized Illustrator application to interpret the vector data fully. Guaranteed access to AI files is typically achieved using Adobe Illustrator CC from Adobe Systems Incorporated. Windows provides limited editing capability, so full functionality depends on dedicated programs. Windows may preview vector artwork, but editing control depends on specialized vector tools. To open this specific AI file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Adobe Illustrator CC is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. If the AI file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. The highly specific nature of the AI file means general fixes are useless. Let's quickly verify these essential items before we dive into the repair. First, restart and relocate. Restart your computer and move the AI file to a local folder, like the desktop, before attempting to open it in Adobe Illustrator to rule out network arch sync issues. Next, use Window Arrange. If the document opens but the window or tabs are missing, go to Window. Arrange and change the mode to Float in Windows or Consolidate all to tabs. Finally, open as PDF. Open the file in Adobe Acrobat Reader or another PDF viewer, as many Illustrator files are saved with a PDF-compatible stream. If the failure of the Open With method shows the problem as a direct association break, we must now use advanced analysis software. That's the method that works for many problematic AI files. Because the specialized software couldn't access your AI file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Welcome aboard to any new viewers. If you found this helpful, click subscribe and join our community. I truly appreciate your support.